Well, we all know how important maintaining our roads is, and that's why we're investing millions of pounds in highways and street lighting. I'm here with the SuperVac, which is our super powerful machine to keep gullies and drains clear, minimising the risk of our roads flooding. The SuperVac can unblock gullies which would usually require 2 people to dig them out, which means it not only saves us time, but it's also much more cost effective. This is just one example of how we're always exploring new techniques to make repairs faster, cheaper, and more environmentally friendly. Last year, we fixed over 5,000 potholes, and we used a jet patcher to help us with this. The jet patcher can repair potholes in just 2 minutes, which allows our team to carry out the work without closing the road, meaning less disruption to road users, as well as being more efficient financially. We're now starting to trial a new material for potholes that can be poured cold and sets in minutes. This saves time and money, but it also doesn't suffer freeze-thaw damage, so it's longer lasting too.